Hey guys, today on Shareably Delicious, we're going to show you our easy take on carrots, which have a sweet and slightly tart flavor. You'll need 1 pound of raw carrots, 2 tablespoons of granulated white sugar, and enough fresh squeezed orange juice to cover the carrots in the pot. We used 14 mandarin oranges for this one. Prep your carrots by washing, peeling, and chopping them. Now you need to juice the oranges. We didn't have a juicer handy, so we cut them widthwise, like this, and squeeze them by hand. Put your chopped carrots in the pot and then cover them with orange juice. Sprinkle in the sugar and bring it to a simmer on medium-low heat. Let them cook for a while. You don't want to boil them, and you're going to let them cook until the juice makes a syrup, which will be after the carrots are soft. We cooked these for just about an hour, which left them with texture and they were not mushy. Here they are, such a delicious and easy variation on regular carrots.